And this is Lottie going incredibly spastic over a bag of diapers. It's really funny. Quite amusing. Alright, stay sitting up, kids. I'm gonna play with you. Stay. Oh! Oh! We toppled. Don't have enough hands. There's the strap. Okay, try it again. Wish I had a way to mount this camera. This isn't working. Up we go, up we go. Ah. She loves her diapers. Okay, prop you up here like you're supposed to be. If I can play with her, she even goes even more crazy. Let's try this. Woo! Alright, I think that's done.